Good morning, good evening. You are watching Insight with Praveen Puram with the NRIs, live from Atlanta. First of all, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of my viewers and friends in US. Today, our esteemed guest, Mr. Karthik Bhatt. Mr. Karthik Bhatt lives in Georgia and he is from Cobb County. He is from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Mr. Karthik is a very active member in Republican Party, and he has been very instrumental in the community, connecting to the politicians across the Republican Party. And last 2 3 years, you can see very active the Republican Party is, and he was being a connect between the community for any of the issues and working with the political leaders. It is very evident that the community, the Indian community, in not only in Atlanta, across the US, participating in the political leaders, not only for senators, for the congressmen, but also many other positions across the state. Today, Mr. Karthik is going to run for the race of Labor Commissioner, Department of Commissioner in Georgia. So to introduce, thank you so much, Karthik, for
Yes, sir.
coming on.
Thank you so much.
And I will just explain more about you. So Karthik is, to introduce Karthik, he has one daughter, Namaswi, and his wife, Twisha. He lives in Georgia, in Cobb County, along with his parents. He has been serving in many of the occasions, not only during the COVID tough times, but also he has done many events across the community to help the community in all the aspects. He was also very active in Republican Party, and he also made many good connects with the governor, Mr. Kemp. He was also he also serves on the board of examiners for the certification of water and wastewater treatment plant operators and laboratory analysts in 2020. And he had an opportunity to be the first Indian American honorary driver at the US President Motorcade. Wow. Thank you so much, Karthik. And it was a wonderful journey for you. Why don't
Yes,
you
sir.
introduce, if I have missed anything about you, to the audience, and then we will go deep into the labor commissioner race.
Yeah, my name is Kartik Bhatt, and I am very small businessman, hardworking, and consultative person. And I am not a career politician. I'm a public servant. I want to serve the community. Doesn't matter your age, your color, your religions, or your zip code. I believe one days, human days, one blood, red blood, America first, Americans first, Georgia first, Georgians first. We are only human. That's all. And I want to serve the community.
Excellent. Excellent, Karthik. That was a great intro. And tell us more about your political career. You know, most of us, as you and me, come to
Yeah.
this great country with great opportunities. We come with a
Yeah.
job, with a hope, and then it is very, very unique that you are into a political party and being active in the community. What made you to come to this?
So when I came US in 2001, I start my job in the public supermarket in Smyrna. I was a cart pusher, not big job. I was pushing the carts in the public. Then I went to another job after 1 year in the Walmart supermarket in Austin. I was a cashier there. In 2007, I get other chance. I get the joint Cobb County Department of Public Safety, and I was an animal control officer in Cobb County. And in 2013, my family bought the real estate business. So this great country, America, gave me everything. So this is my turn now to give this country to back and serve our country. We to see freedom is not free, and we need to fight for our freedom and our liberty. America is the great country, and today I'm here because of the America. And now this is my time to give this back country back. And also, if you know about Acharya Chanakya Moradka, कि देश के युवाओं को पॉलिटिक्स में जाना चाहिए देश for the future of the country. So this is my main goal. I am young, let me go to serve our country and our nation.
Absolutely, Karthik. That's great initiative. Yes, every youth should be part of the political system. If you want to have a voice in the community, in the country, for our future, yes, you need to stand. We are very, very thankful and grateful that you are in this journey. So, what is the inspiration? Why did you choose that labor commissioner? Why do you want to really run the race for labor commissioner? Is there any inspirational story behind this, Karthik?
Yeah, so what happened right now, I see a lot of people, I believe giving fish is not only option. Teach the people how to catch the fish. Do not make them dependent or handicapped. Make the people financially independent. See, right now the people don't work and they're just sitting the home and government spend the money. So I want to see the people scared, oh, COVID-19, COVID-19. I want to ensure I can motivate our people and send them to back to the work. Because we need to fight, we want to give up. We need to do bounce back again. And that's why I want to run the Labor Commission of Georgia to help the people. And you can see a lot of people, if these days is very, the customer service is very poor. If you call in the office, no one answer your call. If you email, no one email you. If you go to office, no one can open the door for you in office. And so some people waiting for 8 months, 9 months, 18 months, 10 months for the benefits. This is crazy. I mean, the community deserve better customer service, not like 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, 18 months. This is very sad. So I say, let me go to serve the community because I believe one race, human race, one blood, red blood. And I want to open when I go to the office, I want to bring the agency back on track. I want to open the door for our small business owner because my goal is simple and clear. More businesses, more jobs, made in America, made in USA. So
Awesome.
that's why I want to run the office to support our country because we should not depend on China, Russia, or any other country. We want to manufacture in here. So as a labor commissioner, I want to bring more business people here to invest in Georgia. So more businesses, more jobs, and I want to make the people financially independent, not dependent. Because see,
Awesome.
because people come my office, they cannot grow. So I want to ensure I can help them out, motivate them, send to the work.
Great, great. That was great inspiration, Karthik. So definitely, this labor commissioner job and department is very, very in line with our community, right? There are a lot of challenges in the community, especially on the jobs and all those kinds of stuff. So definitely, we'll go detail into your vision and what you can change in this department to benefit not only the Indian community but across Georgians, right? So
Yes.
before that, let's get into to know more about how what is the position. This is the only position in the entire state, and what is the voter bank you have, and what is the process to get selected as a candidate from the party Republican, and how many parties are there. In the interest of audience, it would be great if you can explain step by step for this so that it will be beneficial for everyone to learn more about the politics.
Yeah, so basically, labor commissioner have to focus to if the people don't have a job, labor commissioner have to give them benefits to ensure someone can pay the bills. A labor commissioner have to create the economy. So I have to support to our governor and our other offices to bring the more businesses here because more businesses, more jobs. And labor commissioner, I really thankful for the Republican Party. They trust on me and they choose on me. So I really thankful for the Republican Party. And I will tell you about Republican Party. Republican Party believe in the freedom. And Democrat Party believe in the socialism. And socialism is a very dangerous poison for any country. And I am a hardworking, consultative, small businessman. and I want to serve this labor commissioner as a Georgia and Georgians first. I want to put in our people first. Doesn't matter your age, your color, your religion, or zip code. But I'm very thankful for the COP GOP and the Georgia GOP who gave me this direct chance.
Excellent, Karthik. So, how many parties are participating in this race, and what is the voter bank in Georgia?
So right now, Republican and the Democrat Party, they are main parties. So I have to run the election in the primary. I have like two people against me. I have to run, and my election is the May 24. So I ask the people, please go and vote me and support me. I am not a career politician, and people have to think about by choice or by chance, by design or by default, breakthrough or break out, financial independent or dependent, made in America or made in China. So my election on the May 24 is primary. And after in May 24, we have other election June 21st. If I write 45% or other person 46%, then we have to go to June 21st. And who will win? And then they go to the November to see against Democrat.
Excellent. So even if you win in June 21, so the same candidates will go to November 8th as well?
No, then only me and the Democrat Party.
Excellent.
Yeah, because right now is the primary. June, like the May 24 and June 21st is the primary election. So I hope I clear in the May. I don't want to run in June. So I can just go face in the November.
We wish that, Karthik. We wish
Yes, sir.
that you have to win this race, and definitely it will be an added advantage to the community, especially Indian community, and also other Georgians too. So what are the top five items in once, suppose, let's say if you win this race, what is your vision on top 5 things which you will be signing in first 100 days once you take the office?
First 100 days, my priority is to bring the agency back on the track. I want to open the office for all the Georgians, all the citizens. I want to give them best customer service and direct hospitality. If you call in my office, someone will answer your call. If you email, someone will email you back. If you come to my office, someone will open door for you and speak with you. So that is my first priority, to bring the agency back on track. Second, my priority is when you apply your benefits, I want to ensure in 10 business days, your application should be clear. No more than 10 business days. Because Americans deserve best customer service and direct hospitality. This is not China or Russia or another country. Not 8 months, not 9 months, not 18 months, not 12 months. This is very sad. My goal is clear and simple: 10 business days only. So when people come to my office for apply benefits, Team A will help them to give the benefits. Team B will give the list of the job. Team C will follow up, and Team D will review the application. I want to just give only 10 business days for benefits. My third priority as a labor commissioner, I want to support small business owner. And these days, a lot of business owner call me when they apply the SPA loan and commercial loan, banks are taking approximately 60 to 90 days. As a labor commissioner, I want to work with the banks and lenders and make that process 30 to 45 days. Because more businesses, more jobs. I want to have the small business owner. So that is my other priority as well. And then I have another priority for the prisoners, for that and for the program for the prisoners. I want to work with the sheriff's departments, police department, and jail authority. I want to send a motivation video and my message to each and every prisoner. And I will let them know they are human too. When you finish your jail time, come to my office, apply for benefits, and we will help you to find a job. So people can start new life and a new career. Forget about past, focus on your future. Give them second chance. They are human too. So this is my order of my top priorities. And another thing, doesn't matter your race, your color, your religions, or your zip code. We are only human. One race, human race, one blood, and blood.
Wow, that was awesome, Karthik. I think Georgians will be glad to hear that these five are your top five priority in your 100 days taking the oath as a labor commissioner, right? So, customer care. I totally agree with you. Customer care should be the number one priority because people depend only on calls and emails, especially during the pandemic, right?
Yes.
Earlier, they might come to your office, but now they are heavily dependent on phone, emails. So we wish you that you will be successful in this executing.
And
And the
also,
second, please go ahead.
also my one campaign promise is every 2 months I will meet other community leaders. And once a week for one day, anyone can come to my office to meet me 10 to 15 minutes without any appointment.
Wow.
Because I want to open the road for the Georgians. Because American citizens deserve better customer service. So if you need some help, I don't want you to meet me for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. No. People can meet me. If there was some problem, there was some issue, they just come to meet me face to face and we can help them out. So I want to open door for our open door policy for the Georgians.
Excellent. Excellent, Karthik. I think the five things what you have covered, you have pretty much covered all the good things. The customer care is being the priority. Second one, the jailers getting their benefits and processing the benefits sooner, right? And the fourth one on the SBA loans, right?
Yeah.
Today, the home loans are processed very fast, but as you said, the commercial loans are slow. If you can really meet the targets for 30, 40 days, that would be awesome for any businessman. I'm sure that every businessman are listening to this and they will know more about your campaign principles and they will definitely support you in this race. So Karthik, typically for the benefit of the Indian community, I would like to ask you some questions on the campaign principles. What would be these campaign principles? You are ready to do anything like in India, or there are certain rules, guidelines, what you can do and what you cannot do?
No, so basically, I don't focus only one community. As a labor commissioner, I have to fair and I cannot see any resident color, religions or zip code or any gender. I have to be like I am for everyone, for all community. Doesn't matter race, color, religions or zip code. So, but I promise to everyone, if you do start import export business, you can come to my office. My office will help you. If you bring any business in our district, Georgia, from any state or any country, please come to my office and my office will help you. As a labor commissioner, I work with the government agency and reducing timeline period for business licensing and permitting.
Excellent, Karthik. I think this would be a very good topic because import export, most of our community is into the software export and import. But again, if they wanted to do any other business on the export and import, this would be a great opportunity to work with you.
Because
And
right now is no guidelines, is nothing guidelines anywhere. I want to ensure I can create something to support the small business owner.
excellent, excellent, Karthik. So tell us more about what is the percentage of the community, Indian community, especially if I were to ask you, what is the percentage in Georgia of the Indian community? A rough approximate number.
Like I am not sure about like how many quarter number is, but they are really good numbers in here. And mostly all the people are the small business owner.
Yeah.
And I already draw approximately 34,000 mine in the Georgia, and I support a lot of business owners and everyone started for the business these days. So I want to ensure I can support the small business owner because small businesses, more jobs.
Excellent. Yeah, that's for sure. More small businesses, more opportunities for all of us, right? Thank you, Karthik. Thank you for your time, for being here and explaining all the Georgians, your vision, your top five priorities in 100 days. What would you do? So I would request all the audience, all the viewers to be a change. Support Karthik. vote for Karthik, understand more from him what he can do to the society, to the Georgians, and how the businesses can be benefited. You have heard directly from Karthik, and please feel free to message me or Karthik if you have any questions. We can connect directly to Karthik, and you may have all the questions answered. Again, have a wonderful, happy holidays, advanced New Year, and congratulations and thank you. And best wishes to you, Karthik, to win. And we wanted to see you as a Georgia Labor Commissioner in
Thank you so much.
2022. Thank you.
Thank you so much.